Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to make a song using Copilot. So Copilot nowadays has come to a level where literally you can create yourself song within it. So let's go through it. First of all, Copilot itself by its own, it is impossible to use it on its own to generate for yourself a music. You need some kind of add-ons, a lot of things. So if you want here, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and I open this page. You can go to create, you can go to whatever app you have here. So create already has some images, PowerPoint, Word, it can create a lot of things here. And basically none of them is an actual, basically it's not really an actual music. There's no music here. You might find video, you might find audio, but you will never find an actual song. So what to do, you need to search for yourself in actually another way to make Copilot basically work with another application that would be able to generate audio for you or music for you. Now, to this day, which is 6/23, 2026, there is no possible way directly through the apps that are exactly like in here within the Microsoft Copilot 365 that would be able to generate any music for you at the moment. But there were some rumors from Microsoft that they are going to integrate it in the future. So this is an information to really share with people who are very interested in music, don't know how to sing, don't know how to make instruments, but they are very interested in making some using AI. So simply all you need to do guys is to wait a little bit until they officially reveal their news. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. So thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment, and see you guys next upcoming video.